Hello guys, welcome back to Jiva. Today I am here with two very easy and healthy breakfast recipes. The first one is gonna be veggie cake. This can be made with the most available vegetables in your kitchen. If you're looking for something healthy, this can be added on your breakfast or a dinner. Both the recipes are very easy and made with almost no effort. And the other one is oats omelette, which I am very fond of. And I am sure once you have this, you will like it too. You can have this in your breakfast or even in your dinner. If you are new to this channel, at the end of this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. This is going to be very simple. Take a mixing bowl and add all the veggies of your choice. For me, it's 1 cup of chopped cabbage, half cup of grated carrots, half cup of chopped red bell peppers or the capsicum, 1/4 cup of grated cucumber. This is optional, you can avoid if you want to. 1 cup of fresh spinach leaves. I personally like the spinach leaves, so I try to add this wherever possible. Handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves. If you feel lazy to cut all these vegetables, you can also go with only cabbage and some coriander leaves. Even that tastes great. Now to all of these, add salt to taste and a generous amount of black or white pepper. Here I am using white pepper. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can here use your kind of spices. Now finally add 2 to 3 eggs. Adding eggs will help bind the vegetables. Use your hands to mix all the ingredients. Try crushing the leaves and the vegetables slightly. As I am an egg lover, I will add 1 more egg to it. But 3 eggs would be enough to bind it. We'll again give it a nice mix. This is now done and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll put it to steam. In a pan, add 2 to 3 cups of water. Make sure your pan is big and you have a lid to cover the pan. Place a small ball into the pan. Cover the lid of the pan and let the water come to boil. Till the water comes to boil, get ready with the vegetables in a baking dish. The dish can be rectangular or circular. Here I have taken a rectangular dish. Grease the dish with oil. And then put the mixed vegetables into it. You can also use a stainless steel tiffin box if you have one. Tap with a spoon to settle it down. And as you can see, the water by this time has come to a boil. Now remove the lid and place the baking dish into the pan. Be very careful while placing the dish. Cover the lid and let it cook for around 20 minutes. Now letting it cook for around 20 minutes on medium-high flame, you can see that this is almost cooked. Just to be sure, you can put in a skewer and see if it comes out dry. You can now cover the lid and turn off the flame. If you have time, you can let it rest for another 5 or 10 minutes. Letting it rest for another 10 minutes, the veggie cake is now ready to serve. Take it out from the pan, but while doing this, mind your hands. The baking dish and the pan will be really hot. Cut it into pieces and enjoy with your choice of sauce or dip. The quantity shown here serves for 2 people. You can also add some fruits of your choice on your breakfast plate. This was one. Now let me share with you another healthy recipe. The oats omelette, which is very high in protein and fiber. If you are looking for something really quick and instant, this is one. All you need is 15 minutes of your time and oats. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Take a pan and add 1 cup of oats to it. Dry fry the oats for around 5 minutes on medium flame, but make sure that you do not change the color of the oats. Put it aside and let it cool completely. On the same pan, add a mixture of 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is the jeera, and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, which is ajwain. Roast till you get the nice flavor of the spices. This will bring a nice flavor in the omelette. Once this is done, add it with the oats. After cooling it completely, put it in a blender and grind it to fine powder. The quantity shown here will serve 1. So basically you will have 2 oats omelette with this quantity. Here you can see how finely you need to grind the oats. Due to the cumin and the carom seeds, you get a nice flavor in the oats. To this, add 2 eggs. You can also use 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground flour instead of eggs. Add handful of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of grated carrots, half tomato finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies, handful of roughly chopped fresh coriander leaves. Finally, some salt to taste. Mix all of the ingredients and add water in portions. So here at this point, let me tell you something. If you have a thick batter, it will kind of taste like a cake. If your batter is more on the liquid side, it will be floppy and taste like an omelette. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. Here, the batter is kind of thick. Now, cover the lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Once this is partially cooked or it changes its color, you can flip it over and cook the other side for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you do not want your omelette to be too crispy, you can cook both the sides for around 2 to 3 minutes each. This is done and I will now put it aside. Now for the second omelette, I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the batter. Here you can see this is much easier to spread. Cook both the sides of the omelette for around 2 to 3 minutes each. Here your oats omelette is ready to serve. Have it with raita or tomato sauce. So here are the 2 very healthy breakfast recipes. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like and take a moment to subscribe. We'll catch you all on my next video. Till then, take care.